Your child's future begins here. Schedule a tour today.
At Godson Public School, even amidst challenges, our commitment to academic excellence never wavers.
Hello everyone, I am Akshita. I am studying here from LKG. From childhood, my favorite thing is competition. I like to join in competition. There are so many competitions in our school, like spell bee, drawing, essay writing, maths, Olympiads, quiz contests, etc. Also, we have sports competitions like relay race, shot put, throw ball, kabaddi, kho-kho, etc. Recently, we have spell bee competition in that I cleared school level and eagerly waiting for district level. That is the thing that I love my school.
Since 2011, GPS has been shaping young minds through top-quality CBSE education, character building, and holistic development.
With 15 years of experience, we nurture disciplined, confident, and globally competitive students ready to face the world.
Hello everyone, I studied in this school for over 8 years. Let me share my experience with you guys. Our principal ma'am is like a warrior. She faced every struggle in her life. And our teachers are like second mother. They treat us like gold. And our aunties are very friendly, and our watchman uncle is always there when we need him at the gates.
Founded by our visionary leader, Dr. Paul Ranganathan, chairman of GPS, the school stands on a powerful motto: wise men store up knowledge.
A motto that transforms learners into impactful individuals who don't just excel, but uplift others.
Our modern infrastructure, technology-enabled classrooms, and vibrant campus create an environment where learning truly comes alive.
Hello everybody, myself Liba Mariam. And some of us are South Indian, right? And can you guess our traditional dance? Yes, it's Bharatanatyam. And our school provides us facilities like Western dance and classical dance. And our teachers are so excellent, they are teaching us these activities. Thank you, have a nice day.
Beyond academics, GPS encourages sports, arts, cultural programs, community service, environmental initiatives, and leadership opportunities.
From event organizing to anchoring as masters of ceremony, students gain real-world, work-based learning experiences.
Hi, I am Ashwin, a computer science student from grade 11. I am so proud to tell you that why our school is one of the best places for students to grow, learn, and shine. Our school offers a big playground and indoor game facilities for students to explore their talents. We also have equipped with science labs, a modern computer lab, and also smart classes to make education more fun and exciting. We have dedicated staffs and teachers and a friendly environment with strong academic support. So choose Godson, where education becomes excellence.
And for every child who struggles, GPS becomes a guiding light, offering encouragement, resources, and motivation to reach their full potential.
Godson Public School isn't just a school. It's where knowledge, values, and future leaders are shaped.
Our school's atmosphere is warm and bright, a place where learning is a fun, is a friendship flight, with caring teachers and fun activities galore. It is a happy home where we go to ask more.
Visit us today. Godson Public School, number 6, Surapet Main Road, Thirumal, Nagar, Chennai, 600099, Tamil Nadu.
Godson Public School, educating minds, empowering futures.
We all belong to
Godson family.